Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to go through and show you how to unsell an estimate on an existing that you've already sold within an opportunity, make changes to it, and then resell it. Let's say a customer just called in and you need to make this change. So what you can do is go to there's a few ways to do it, but the one way is to go to the opportunity and the other is to go to the estimate. So here I'm on the job where I created the estimate. I'm going to click view opportunity. And you're going to see this estimate here. I want to go ahead and view this sold estimate. The first place that I can unsell it is just directly from this opportunity screen by clicking this unsell. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the view sold estimate, and you'll see the unsell button up here in the upper right hand corner. So what that's going to do is unsell the estimate and allow you to make any changes you want. So let's say you wanted to add a task, like a toilet replacement to it. You can go ahead and do that. And then if you want to resell and convert it, all you got to do is click sold. Give the credit to whoever sold it, apply, and then this is where you can actually initiate the booking process to book this into a job, where you'll just select the task that you want and then you'll click book new job, and that's as easy as it.